Hello everyone, welcome back to SGM Creations and Tutorials. Hi guys, this is my new project. This is a fashion accessories made from the cups of the waste plastic cups of yogurt. But before we will proceed, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to SGM Creations and Tutorials. Please give a comment, like, and share this video. In my channel, you will learn many things, especially on how to recycle waste materials and transform into a unique, beautiful project. This one, look at here. This is a fashion earrings made from the waste plastic cups of the yogurt. This is a sweetened sweet yogurt. Look at this. This one is the top portion of the plastic cups of the yogurt. Look at this one. The yogurt cup look like this, and this is the top portion. I just cut out. Look at this. I just cut out. This is the design of the yogurt, yellow and white, because the flavor is mango, and that is why it is colored yellow with a combination of white. And this one, I just cut out the cups of the yogurt into a lib 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 leaves type, or a leaves, and punch a hole here and attach two rings and a hook. I cut out two pieces of lib types, and I fix it together with the use of adhesive glue. Look at here. So now this is already the transformation of the empty cups of the yogurt. I have here a yogurt. Look at this. This is the yogurt, okay? This is unsweetened. So if you have this empty cups of yogurt, just simply cut out the top portion. Look at this square on the top. Look, this one, the square. The sides, you have to cut out from this side around and punch a hole here. It looks like this, and attach a ring. I attach here 3 rings and 1 hook. And this one, cut out from the body of the yogurt 2 pieces and shape into like a leaves or a stars or any shape that you want. Then fix together both sides with the use of adhesive glue. But this one, I am just using a transparent or colorless nail polish. I just brush the back side of the 2 pieces of this and fix it together and wait to dry, and punch a hole, fix a rings, 3 rings, this one, and fix with a hook. And this is already an instant fashion earrings made from the waste yogurt. This one is a blue color, and this one is white with a combination of yellow, because this is a sweetened yogurt. So I hope guys you get an idea on how to recycle your plastic waste from the yogurt. So if you're doing nothing because you're at home right now, so try to create something. Try to recycle waste materials and transform into a unique and beautiful project like this. So it's time for you to start recycling and create your own DIY projects. You can also design this one, you can decorate this one with some crystals, with some beads, but this one is just a simple one, and this one is suitable for the white dress or white shirts because it's already winter, it's already springtime and summer. So this goes to summer and spring season. You can wear with the matching color of your shirt or blouse, white blouse or white shirt, or either yellow. So this is all for today, guys. So don't forget to give a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to SGM Creations and Tutorials. And thank you everyone for watching this video and for supporting my channel SGM Creations and Tutorials. Let us recycle our waste in order to minimize our garbage and help our environment clean, to keep us healthy, and save the Mother Earth from pollution. So maraming salamat, Dankeschön, Shukran, Mercy, Efarestopoli, Daghang salamat, and bye-bye for now. See you again in my next vlog. Ciao, take care, and keep safe, everyone. So this is now our project, the transformation of the yogurt plastic waste. Again, don't forget to subscribe to SGM Creations and Tutorials.